What's in blind? What you said? So that man had a damn gun. I got my oldest son hanging the door today. Okay, voila. The pantry door is on. It is swinging back and forth. The only thing that I didn't get is a doorknob for this one. So I gotta go to Amazon next Friday and get a doorknob. And I just cleaned those windows, but I'm finna take this bleach and clean the bottom of this door. And just clean it. This the door I told y'all I bought for $40 from the lady on Craigslist. So yeah, that's the door I wanted for my pantry. And being that I can't go to I cannot go to Lowe's or Home Depot and get my trim and stuff. This how I gonna look for a while. And then I'm gonna get my doorknob from Amazon. I know I could order that. But let me show you the trim I'm gonna put on the door. So y'all remember when Ishmael did this here. I'm gonna put that trim around that door in the kitchen, so everything could look cohesive. When we redo this, Ishmael gonna call some of his cousins to help him take all this sheetrock out and put new sheetrock in, because I just don't like the gouges and the patches that, you know, people did. So I wanted to be fresh, clean, new, and neat. So once everything, all this stuff over, Ishmael said he could call his cousin them to help him take it down, drywall, and put it back up. Either we gonna do it or his cousin them probably do it. So yeah, but right now we stuck in a maze. So this will go, this is here, it will go there, and then you'll find it here. Okay, so that's that. Okay, this has been my Saturday washing and folding up clothes and tea. This is my 5th load of clothes. So yeah, I'm finna have everybody that come and get their clothes and put mine up myself. That's how the bed look. So the bed got changed out yesterday. And we just been chilling, watching a little Netflix, a little YouTube, washing and folding clothes today. Okay, I'm quite sure I have told you guys that this is one of my favorite finds, but I just wanted to let you know, during quarantine, I found this soap. It smells so good. I don't know what it'll do for your pH balance, but for now, this is my favorite thing. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you the new Dove soap that I found. It got cocoa butter in there. It's very interesting, the color, but the smell is great. I am very in love with the smell, and we're going to see how it works now. Look, we all matching. time. I gotta get these doors now. And the one for my bedroom and Carlos' bedroom. So tonight we are doing spinach ravioli over a bit of ground turkey with spaghetti sauce. And this is how it looked. We had to get 2 different kind of ravioli. I didn't know what I was gonna do with this. I really just wanted to taste it. And by me having it in the freezer so long, I said, hey, let's go with it. So I looked it up on Pinterest, and they said, yes, you could do it with ground beef and spaghetti sauce. But, you know, I don't eat ground beef, so I eat ground turkey. So I did it with ground turkey and spaghetti sauce and the spinach. It got spinach and cheese in here in both packs, because I had to get mixed packs because, you know, the store was out of, you can't get 2 of anything. So, we're going to see how it look when I plate. I'm sorry I didn't give y'all a little cook with me because my phone was going dead. So, yeah. But, yeah, we're going to see how it look when we plate it. Let's get it. This is how it looked. We had to get 2 different kind of ravioli. I didn't know what I was going to do with this. I really just wanted to taste it. And by me having it in the freezer so long, I said, hey, let's go with it. So I looked it up on Pinterest, and they said, yes, you could do it with ground beef and spaghetti sauce. But, you know, I don't eat ground beef, so I eat ground turkey. So I did it with ground turkey and spaghetti sauce and the spinach. It got spinach and cheese in here in both packs, because I had to get mixed packs because, you know, the store was out of, you can't get 2 of anything. Okay, here's tonight dinner. This is the ravioli with ground turkey on there and spaghetti sauce, and we're having a salad. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is the first time in a long time that I have actually had ravioli. So it's just another way of having spaghetti, and it tastes fresh too. These taste fresh, like you would do fresh pasta. It's real good. I really don't taste it, so it's real good. Yeah. It's tonight dinner, you guys. Top price to me. Please don't top price to me. Don't top price to me. This is good. It's good. You'll eat it again. I would eat it 100 times over. Okay. That's good. Man, he'll make me fucking sick here. So? You hear him say so? You gonna say so to me? Would you eat it again? Okay.
Steamy hot. Like if it burns off your tongue, they love it.
No, we trying to put the cheese, get the cheese and milk. Would you eat it again?
Yeah.
You got spinach in there. Spinach and the ravioli. What you think?
Yeah, I'll eat this again.
Okay. We is in the middle of a tornado.
Okay, this is not being.
I am happy to be in the middle of a tornado.
Why are you happy to be in the middle of a tornado? You crazy, man.
Sarcasm.
Oh, okay.